Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Samadrita and in today's book review and storytelling session, we have picked up the book The Zahir by the Brazilian writer Paulo Coelho. So this book was originally written in Portuguese and later translated into 44 different ones. The meaning of the word Zahir, which is an Arabic word, is obvious or conspicuous. Like one of his favorite books, The Alchemist, which I reviewed in the last video, this book also talks about pilgrimage and touches upon the themes of love, loss and obsession. It shares a lot of wisdom and understanding. So the book is all about unconditional love. It teaches you to love yourself fully and also to love other people without any condition. It's also about understanding their situation, their circumstances, and loving them for who they are instead of we telling them what they should become. It's about understanding that, hey, you are an individual actual being and you have feelings, so let me understand that instead of making it all about myself, which I think is absolutely how it should be. This book provides a huge spiritual learning on how to be understanding, empathetic, and start thinking about others. It's highly important to love the authentic self and keep away all the illusions. So now let's quickly go to the story and see what this book has to offer. At the end of the story, the author describes marriage as a railway track which stays together forever but fails to come any closer. So this book is a journey from a stagnant love, stagnant marriage to unseen attraction that keeps on increasing between two souls. This book talks about the life of the narrator, who is a novelist, and he really loved the privileges of being a celebrity. Now the good thing is he also married the love of his life, Esther, and had a good married life. Now one day Esther went missing and he was not sure whether his wife was kidnapped or just abandoned the marriage. And he felt that the media, the press and the police is having a foul play and pointing fingers at the narrator. Now the author was completely in love with his wife, and after losing her, the love turned into an obsession where he really had to find out his wife. So this journey of missing his wife to ultimately finding him is a huge transformation that happened within him. So in quest of searching for his wife, he meets one of his wife's friend in a book launch and discovers that the friend knows that Esther has left his husband in search of peace. The narrator was really enthusiastic to find out his wife, but he felt that first he should find out himself before searching for his wife. So the wife's friend gave him a lot of spiritual lesson in different places, like in the restaurants or meeting homeless people, and the narrator really made a lot of progress. Now the narrator had a feeling that his wife is there in Kazakhstan because that is from where the friend is from. The author eventually decides to search for the Zahir and traveled from France to Kazakhstan where his wife was. The journey that follows, which started from finding his wife to ultimately finding her, this has a lot of teachings, a lot of spiritual lessons. It's about finding your own self. It's about loving other people and not letting them change in no matter how they are is the key of the book. Would I recommend reading you the book? Absolutely. Very few books out there would indulge you into such a huge and such an intense spiritual learning. I'll be very brief with it because the story, when you read it, completely gives you goosebumps. And if you compare it with Alchemist, this Alchemist is like a kindergarten book and this is huge. So I really don't want to spoil the experience of reading it. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to review any other book or like the video. See you in the next one.